What's up again, everybody? I am going to be talking about bingo stock day trading again. I'm brand new to this, all right, so I would not listen to me. I watch all these videos about what I am doing is probably not good, but it's working good for me right now. I do manage my risk, right? So if I'm down, I eat it and I get out to manage it. But today it's a little bit messy. We're going to go over the numbers, but I'm about $2,500 up. I'm going to be done for the day. Just I have other stuff to do. But about 2,500 up, which is pretty cool. I've been on a tear for this whole week. I'm going to show you right on Robinhood what I've done. It's a little bit messy because I buy things and sell things in different amounts. So I'm just going to kind of round a little bit. But if you're really interested, you could do the math. Very cool. So again, bingo here. I buy and sell within just pennies of each other. And this one I actually didn't lose one single time. I sold a ton, so I know that somebody that does this professionally or something is going to look at me like, oh, you're an idiot and you shouldn't do that. But for this moment, for this second in my life, it is working out well. So let's get right into this, and we're about $2,500 up on just bingo. I've not done anything else today. So let's look at it. All right, we are looking at bingo stock. I'm going to go to my Robinhood account. Where are we? Today is the 22nd. I buy and sell a bunch. All right, 20. Oh, here we go. Okay, so I didn't have anything this morning. I sold it last night for this price, which is a little frustrating, but I like to get out sometimes. So I bought today at this price, and this is the biggest one. And then I just had a couple shares. Well, I guess I had a few 100 shares or something sitting in there. So I bought, and then I sold. Pretty big difference here. So this one. This difference. Now I just rounded up. That was actually 49, but I did the math at 48. So I didn't consider the 100 extra shares just for easier math. So I made 2,100, and that's the biggest gain for the day. If you look at everything, it's only a couple hundred for the rest, but that's the biggest one, which is beautiful. And then so I bought it at this price, I sold it at this price, and then I don't know how much longer, but I rebought it at 35. Let's see if we can see here. Right here, I rebought it at 35. Okay. I bought a few more shares here, and then I sold it at 40. So I made 5 cents off of 4,900 shares, which is right here. I didn't account for that. I just just for easier math. So I made $245 from 5 cents. Okay, so then I sold it, so I'm out for a big portion of the whatever. I rebought just a little bit because it dipped heavy, so I was like, oh, I better just put a few more bucks in there because that's a pretty good dip. Rebought it at 32 cents, okay, and then I sold it at 35 cents, and let's look at that one. Let's see if I can find it. I think it's right there. I know this is a lot, so like, too professional, he's probably like, you're an idiot, Samson. All right, so I bought it here. 4,900. Oh, and then I just rounded down to, or no, sell by 32. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, all right. I did the same thing. So I sold 5,000, but the math here, I only did the math off of 49 just for easier math. So that's just a hair higher of a profit, but I just didn't want to do that conversion. So I bought it for here. I sold it for 3 cents more. Beautiful. So 4,900 times 3 cents, which is fantastic. And then the next one, I haven't sold it yet. I think I'm going to hold it overnight. I'm really concerned about holding this one overnight because it's probably going to drop down to $8, which is fine. But I bought it for 31 cents. I rebought just a couple shares because it dipped a little bit. And so I'm holding right now at 5,100 shares, I think. And the price, as you can see, is 19. So if I were to sell right now, I would be losing money. So we obviously don't want to do that. But I don't mind. Like, so I'm debating on holding this overnight. My assumption is it's going to go down. Right, let's go to bingo. My assumption is Monday it'll come down to here somewhere. And then there's some catalyst Tuesday that might spike it up. But I don't care about this. Just like Sundial. Sundial, I'm getting friggin' hosed on. It's just tanking. But that's okay. That's part of it. So day trading, I don't care if it goes down. Let's say I have all these shares at this price right here. I know that I want to keep buying shares. The number of shares is what I want to keep. So if it tanks down here, according to my Robinhood, it'll say, oh, Samson, you're down 3,000 for the day. I don't care about that. I'll still sell it and day trade it because it might go down more, and then I can rebuy a couple more shares, and then my overall shares will be larger, and my dollar figure is still down, but my shares is higher. So then when it peaks back up, I have more shares to get there. So I'm debating on holding it overnight because I feel very good it's going to come down to $8, somewhere in there. But I haven't made that decision yet. But Tuesday is a catalyst, not a very big one, just a beautiful speech or something. And then I think it'll continue up. But again, $2,500, right? A few minutes worth. I mean, I did a lot on this one. Normally, the past couple videos, it was just a handful. But very beautiful. $2,500. What would you do with $2,500 if I just gave it to you right now, huh? Comment below what you would spend that money on. Don't say bills, because that is a silly answer. Like, subscribe, do all that crap. And again, don't listen to me because I don't know what I'm talking about, and you'll probably lose money.